Good morning. Well, check this out. I've got something new to show you today. Before I show you what it is, I'm going to show you the bag, what it fits in. But what it is something you can fry, you can bake. It's got an oven in it, makes a great heat source. It's made out of stainless steel, but you can also, it's got an enclosed fire, so places like Fraser Island shouldn't have any issues using it because it's fully enclosed. Drifter makes a bag for them as well. Well, you know how much I love Drifter. So Drifter makes these awesome bags and it fits everything inside this bag. After the short intro, and we'll show you what it is. Here we are, guys. This is them. So what are they called? They're called a Winnerwell. Might grab one of the owners that knows more about these and explain it. Ali's great little camping companion. She loves camping. So we might see if we can grab Ali's owner. So I'll introduce Stephen.
How you going, everyone?
Yeah, Stephen's got his own YouTube channel as well. And your YouTube channel is called?
FJ Camping and Touring.
Cool, so check out FJ Camping and Touring. He shows a lot of demonstrations with these and some of the meals that he's cooked. How long have you owned this one for, Steve?
I've had it probably about 8 months now.
8 months, cool.
Yeah, and it's becoming our go-to sort of like cooking, heating appliance because I have a fire pit which goes in over there, like one of the Snow Peak collapsible fire pits. But we're really finding this is so compact because all of this that you see here, the chimney, the legs, everything compacts inside of this box. So you basically only got something this big by that high that goes into a bag, and it's really good in windy weather, like it's really blowing here at the moment.
Like it is now. We've got a real strong wind blowing over here, and you got no problems getting a fire going with these. And they put out a fair bit of heat too. I mean, it's not really much of a flame there now, but I can feel the heat coming off there. And you had this going for, what time did you start this? What is it now? You would have started this about 3 hours ago.
Yeah, about 3 hours ago, and we haven't put any wood in it for ages. It's 304 stainless steel, so it's a really good quality stainless steel. Actually had this thing where this pipe has been red hot up to about here.
Oh wow, really?
And all this has been glowing red hot, so it hasn't really distorted or warped. So, and there's a lot of features on it, like just down on the side here, you lift these up, and this little thing here is actually a water tank. So this just sits on there and it clips in around the pipe.
Oh, cool.
So as this heats up, like I said, this gets really hot from the heat coming up. It heats up the water inside, and once it's boiling, you can hear it boiling, you can take it off and hang inside there and just keep it warm and keep topping it up.
Now you also got another attachment that goes with this.
I've actually got a little oven, folds up flat, and you take this off, put it on the side and set your oven up and sit it on here, and you can take this middle piece out here and you get a little bit more heat coming through there, and it'll heat up inside the oven, and you can cook just about anything in it. Pizza, bread, heat up pies, anything you can cook in an oven you can cook in that.
It's anything you cook in the oven at home, similar to my Trouble Buddy. Although in this here you could cook a larger meal in this, it's a lot bigger than the Trouble Buddy. Here we are. Actually, Ian's got one here. Ian, we'll just bring it around.
So that's
it there. And it just sits on the top there.
Yeah, so you got your door here that opens up. Inside you got 2 shelves. There's a little wire mesh, stainless steel mesh in the bottom to stop any embers or that going in there and lets the heat in, and you got a little temperature gauge on the front here which tells you the temperature inside the oven.
Yeah, how cool is that?
These things, they do fold flat. I got all these clips, so it just comes apart. Same with the front, and it just all in, and it only ends up in a parcel about that thick. And that
everything's compact here. That drifter bag I show you, everything fits inside that drifter bag. And the chimney, how do you pack the chimney? I like that feature. There's a way
well, they're all sections about that long, so they're as long as the machine, so they all just clip apart and they all fit inside here. So everything, like I said, everything you see there you can just pull apart and side here.
One thing I noticed last night, I was just sitting there and Steve, and the fire was going, and again Steve walked up to it, grabbed it, picked it up and carried it around over to where we were sitting.
Yeah, that's the beauty. You can, we were sitting here and it was started to rain, didn't it? And we all moved over underneath an awning, so we just picked and put it under the awning, and we still had heat.
So I'll get Steve just to turn it around.
Yep.
So it's got a window there so you can sit down and look at the flame. Now there's many variations of these. You really need to go on their website. What's their website, do you know?
There'll be a Winnerwell website, but you can get them off a few different companies in Australia. I think Camper World.
Okay.
Yeah.
Camper World, that's the one I'm thinking of.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've got quite a few of the range in there. They also make them out of titanium for those that want something that's, I mean, this is going to last. But if you want something you can hand down from generations to generations, they make these in titanium as well.
The only other thing that we did do, if you can see them down here, you can see a little wing nut here. We've put extendable legs on this because the legs themselves are only that long.
Okay.
So it sits about that high off the ground. So just to give you a little bit more room underneath it, I've bought these extendable legs, which is a good idea, I think. I wish I would have got them when I first got them. I've only had this is the first time I've used them.
Oh, right.
And it's just good because it gives you that little bit more height. And the other bonus is when you got your chair here, you can put your feet under there.
Oh, feet warmer. Well, thanks, Steve.
No worries.
Thanks for showing me this. Till next time, stay tuned. Subscribe, please.
Yeah, subscribe to Bill's channel.
And subscribe to Stephen's channel as well. Till next time. Cheers.